as movement control retraining has become more popular and more talked about in the literature and is being used more in rehab processes and in movement performance retraining programs, the term threshold sometimes become a bit confused or misused. So I'd just like to sort of try and clarify what we mean by low threshold versus high threshold recruitment or recruitment training. When we use the term low threshold, what we're really referring to and what it's relevant for is non-fatiguing coordination, alignment, and timing issues. So low threshold training, low threshold recruitment, it looks at sort of things that relate to normal function, non-fatiguing function, but it might be used in specific retraining strategies. Sometimes they're non-functional, sometimes they're functional. But we're looking at staying within the non-fatiguing ranges of retraining, and we want to look at focusing on coordination between the stabiliser, mobiliser, synergist, alignment between one joint segment and another, and the timing or the sequencing of how joints move and how muscles interact together. High threshold training and assessment is really looking at dealing with higher loads. But it's not simply just about low load versus high load. High threshold training is all about creating fatigue. So if we've got to do high threshold training, we're trying to recover from some sort of strength deficiency or recover from atrophy. To do that, we need two things in place: fatigue and tension. And as part of that process, so we're looking at fatiguing loads to increase strength, fatiguing loads, looking at speed, so fast alternating movements that create fatiguing forces to maintain proximal control while we're doing fast alternating limb movements, or endurance, continual holding to the point of fatigue where we generate tension. So high threshold strength training involves strength, timing, endurance, and in particular alternating speeds. It's not appropriate for the neck to put high force on for many activities, but we can do fast alternating movements of the shoulder which train neck stabiliser muscles to co-contract at the point of fatigue to improve strength in that situation as well.